Yeah. Today discussing contents definition of Friedel-Crafts reactions. Okay, two parts: Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, so second, general reactions explain. Okay, so third contains, that is the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation or Friedel-Crafts acylation. Same mechanism of Friedel-Crafts acylation or Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation or Friedel-Crafts acylation. So first discuss mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay, alkylation. So here main product suppose that is the example of toluene. So main product of form. Okay, step first generation of electrophile Okay, first is generation of electrophile. So here CS3 bond Cl is react with AlCl3, that is the anhydrous Lewis acid, anhydrous aluminum trichloride, then Lewis acid. Okay, then gives so this Lewis acid 1 2 then 3. The Lewis acid, what is the function of Lewis acid? Accept pair of electron. So these lone pair accept here, these are Lewis acid accept a pair of electron. So here these bond are break up, here del positive, here del negative. So here gives on product CS3 positive plus AlCl4 then negative. Okay, that is the generation of electrophile CS3 bond Cl, mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So first is methyl chloride. Okay, is react with anhydrous aluminum trichloride Lewis acid function, accept a pair of electrons, so gives CS3 positive, generation of electrophile plus AlCl4 negative. Step first. In step second, attack of electrophile or formation of uranium ion. Okay, so here these are electrophile CS3 positive, attack on benzene ring. So here these are benzene ring. Okay, is react with CS3 positive. Okay, so here these pi bond rotate here and here negative, and these are negative, directly attack on these are positive. So here benzene ring same these are a bond here, these bond are here, these bond shifted to here, so these are positive charge. Okay, then here attack of CS3, attack of CS3. Okay, then main product toluene, these are toluene. Okay, so here only one bond are interform. So here step third deprotonation, deprotonation. So here one hydrogen atom. Okay, so these hydrogen atom, here second product of this reaction, here bond, here bond, here bond H, here bond CS3, here positive charge, these bond shifted here, deprotonation, hydrogen atom remove, then bond shifted here. Okay, plus AlCl4, AlCl4, then here benzene ring 1 2 3, then here CS3 plus HCl plus AlCl3 plus AlCl3. So these shifted here. Okay, then H is removed by Cl, then HCl is removed and remaining AlCl3. That is the main product of toluene, main product of toluene, mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation, mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So same mechanism of Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Acylation means CS3C double bond O CS3Cl, then alkylation means CS3Cl. So here step first, generation of electrophile, so here acetyl chloride CS3 bond C double bond O single bond Cl, 3 lone pair are present here, then react with anhydrous AlCl3, that is the Lewis acid. This Lewis acid accept a pair of electrons and formation of CS3C double bond O, these are positive, plus AlCl4 negative, that is the generation of electrophile. Okay, this Lewis acid is a function accept a pair of electrons, that is the formation of electrophile. In step second, attack of electrophile or formation of uranium ion, okay, uranium ion. So here one benzene, here bond is react with electrophile CS3 bond C double bond O, here positive. Okay, so these pi bond shifted here, and here negative charge, this negative is directly attacked here, so gives benzene, here bond, here C double bond O CS3. Okay, these are here positive, then here H. So H is deep protonation, then shifting here. Step 3, deprotonation. Deprotonation means removal of hydrogen atom, generally simple definition. So here C double bond O, single bond CS3, here one hydrogen atom, shifting here, plus AlCl4, that is the negative, gives here bond, here bond, here bond, C double bond O, bond CS3 plus HCl, then remaining AlCl3 anhydrous AlCl3. Okay, are you understand mechanism of Friedel-Crafts acylation? Step first, generation of electrophile. Step second, attack of electrophile or formation of rhenium ion. Okay, so here this benzene is react with electrophile, gives rhenium ion or attack of electrophile, simple. Then third step, deprotonation. So this hydrogen atom is removed, then bond shifted to inner side, then formation of main compound, that is the name acetophenone, benzene ring, C double bond O, CS3 plus HCl plus LCl3 remove. Okay, thank you.